Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Anton. I am a Salesforce developer at Envy. How to distinguish case sources? Well, Salesforce provides some inbuilt tools for that. As an example, I will show you how to track customers' messages sent from a particular website. We will start from the Web2Case settings window. Here is our setup. First of all, we need to ensure that Enable Web2Case checkbox is checked. Also, here we can select the default case origin, turn on the CAPTCHA or change a response template. Here I leave the default settings. Second step is to navigate to the Web2Case HTML generator. Here we need to create our HTML form. I select the needed fields. Then I enter the URL to which customer will be redirected after submitting a case. For our example, I turn off reCAPTCHA. Click Generate. Wonderful! We have our generated HTML code. Now we can insert it into any web page we need. This is our web page with the generated form. Let's test it. I have pre-filled the fields and now click Submit. Here we are redirected to the envy.com page, and now I will check the created case. As you see, it's created with all necessary fields, and the case origin is web. Perfect! If you enjoyed this video, hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more content.